I am not a fashion guru. I'm just an everyday homeschooling mom who likes to find a great deal on clothes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something a little bit different to share with you. I am going to do a Thredup unboxing. Now, before we jump into this, I just want to say right off the bat that I am not affiliated with, not being sponsored. I have no connections to Thredup at all whatsoever. I'm just a customer who really enjoys their website and their products and wanted to share what I purchased this time around with you all. Now, if you are not familiar with Thredup, it is an online thrift store where you can purchase secondhand clothing for really great deals. I love to shop on Thredup because I can find awesome prices on some of my favorite brands and styles. And bonus, I feel good about purchases I am making because I'm shopping sustainably. I am able to bring new life to someone else's used clothing. So I have made purchases from Thredup previously. I have done just a couple regular online orders out of their thrift store, and then I've also tried out their goodie boxes. And I will be honest and say that I have been completely impressed with everything that I have purchased from Thredup. I love the quality, I love the prices, I love the sustainability. I just really love this company, and so I wanted to share it with you all today. So a few shopping tips that I have learned after using their site a few times. First of all, take advantage of their filters. When I shop, I already have all of my different sizes plugged in and saved so that every time I search, it is only showing me items that will fit me. Second of all, I go into the tab marked condition and I always mark like new or with tags. I want items that are not overly used, are not worn out at all. The items I purchase, I want to feel like they are next to new. Lastly, I would definitely recommend for you to get out your measuring tape. On Thredup, for all of their items, they include sizes. They measure everything, inseams, widths, lengths, things like that. You and I both know that after an item has been washed a couple of times, its original size can change a good bit. And so these items, since they are used, have been washed, have been dried, may have been shrunk. And so I like to always take a measurement and make sure that the item I am purchasing is going to fit the way I like it. I am going to place a referral link down below in the description box. This is just the normal code that you can get from Thredup, no matter who you are, whether you're a YouTuber or not. This will give me $10 off of my next purchase if you make a purchase, and it will give you $10 off as well. So if you're interested in learning more about Thredup, I would definitely send you to their website down below. All right, so for this order, I was shopping for some items just to kind of refresh my closet a little bit for summer. I really like to wear very comfortable and casual clothing that I am able to dress up to go to church or to film, and then also that I can easily dress down and run around the house and do things with my 5 kids. Today I was shopping for sleeveless tops, some casual dresses, again, comfortable being key there, and then maybe a pair of jeans or capris. Is that even what you call those anymore? Capris, that's what I called it in the 90s, like those short jeans or short pants. You can tell I'm not a fashion guru, but I was looking for some like ankle jeans or capris. And then lastly, I wanted to find a tote bag. I have 2 toddlers, one who is 3 and one who is just over 18 months. I'm no longer needing to lug that huge diaper bag backpack around anymore. And so I wanted to replace it with a tote bag or a mom bag, just some type of large purse that I can still put a notebook and diapers and wipes and snacks and sippy cups and my wallet in as I am going around running errands and things like that. All right, so let's go ahead and get this order unboxed. They did actually send me 3 different packages in the mail. There were 2 bags and this large box. All I did was open them up with a pair of scissors. I have not looked in these or tried anything on or done anything like that yet. I wanted to save it for you guys. This is a sleeveless button-up blouse. It is 100% polyester, so the material is definitely a lot different. It's very, very thin. I went ahead and paired it just with a cream or white colored undershirt that I already owned because the material was just a little too thin for me to wear on its own. But overall, I really like the cut of this shirt. It's just a sleeveless kind of tank. Great for the summer. It has that classic navy blue and white stripe print that I just love. I think it's just timeless. So the Banana Republic price on this shirt was $30. The Thredup price was $9.99. All right, this next shirt is a little bit more jazzy than I would normally wear. I was trying to get outside of my comfort zone just a little bit. I think the name of this brand is Ha-Life or Ha-Life. It's just a gray tank with a lot of patterns on it. It is cotton. The top of it here, where all the different colors are, is actually not fabric. This is actually woven thread. It's really beautiful close up. I was not expecting that. I thought that this was just going to be a print. I really like the length of this shirt. I prefer a little bit of longer tanks and shirts just in general. I'm a tall girl and very long-waisted, so I like tanks that are a little bit longer. The suggested retail price on this shirt was $15. The Thredup price was $7.99. All right, this next one is wrinkled, just coming out of the box. It definitely needs pressed. But this is a sleeveless blouse from the brand 20 Seconds. It is just kind of a light blue color, kind of reminds you of like a light denim. And it just has this really beautiful lace detail on the shoulders and going around on the back. Please forgive my coloring. It is the beginning of summer and I am in that phase of getting burnt at the pool and trying to get just a little bit of even coloring. Again, not a model, just a homeschool mom. The retail price on this top was $27. The Thredup price was $15.99. This next tank is from Old Navy. It's kind of a burgundy deep wine color, one of my favorite colors to wear all year long. It has a crew neck. It will be great to pair along with jean shorts or jeans. As you can see, wrinkled yet again outside of the box. No surprise there. But I absolutely love this detail around the top, just the knit again, just kind of all the different variations of burgundy and red and pink thread. It just kind of makes this top a little bit different. It is really comfortable, really cozy, will just be a great everyday tank for the summer. Retail price from Old Navy is $17. Thredup price is $14.99. All right, so first up is this Old Navy burgundy floral dress. As you can see, it has just this cute little button-up V-neck. It has 3/4 gathered sleeves, and the material of the dress is really thin, really light, really cool. It does have a lining on the inside of the dress to kind of help to make sure it's not see-through, kind of like a built-in slip. And the length is just perfect. It is just above knee length, which is great for me as a mama with toddlers having to bend over and pick up babies on a regular basis. The retail on this was $40. Thredup price was $23.99. Up next is this navy dress. It has little white and light blue pinstripes almost to it. It is from Treasures and Bond. It's actually still brand new, has tags on it from Nordstrom. As you can see, it is a little bit wrinkled, just coming straight out of the box. The length of it is perfect. It is just at knee length. It has pockets, which I love. I don't know about you guys, but I love pockets built into a dress. Now, I will say the top is just a little bit loose for me around the bust area. I think I may need to take this in just a tad, maybe shorten the straps just a little bit, but nothing that I couldn't do by hand or just quickly pull out my sewing machine to make an adjustment. Now, this dress retailed for $79 from Nordstrom, and the Thredup price was $26.99. All right, so this last dress is from Sonoma. Again, it is a little bit wrinkled, just coming out of the box, but overall, I love it. Again, thin material, great for the summer, with 3/4 sleeves that you roll up and kind of have a little button detail on. It has a beige rope belt around the waist, which honestly, I think I could take or leave. I think it is okay with the belt, but I also think you could wear this dress without it. Overall, I'm really happy happy with this dress. I think it's really comfortable, really casual. I can see myself using it possibly in the fall, pairing it with a cardigan and maybe a pair of leggings as well. So I think this one will last me a good long while and last for more than just the summer season. Again, this dress was brand new with tags from Sonoma. The retail price was $50. The Thredup price was $20.99. All right, so these are a pair of American Eagle jeans. They are a high-rise skinny jean. They definitely have a little bit of stretch to them. They are cut right to the ankle. The material is nice and stretchy and thin, so if I wanted to wear these out to dinner or something like that, just on a cool summer evening, this would be perfect. Since they are used and have been washed and dried already, I'm very confident about the fit, and they fit really, really well. They are so, so comfortable. The American Eagle suggested price was $50. The Thredup price was $26.99. All right, so the other pair of jeans that I purchased are from Old Navy. These are kind of little flare, what I would consider capris, just, you know, cut right between the knee and the ankle. They are a mid-rise jean. I love that little bit of flare is coming back into style. This reminds me of what I used to wear in my teenage days in the late 90s, early 2000s. These jeans are super stretchy, have a wonderful darker wash to them, and the fit is just perfect. I will definitely say Thredup does a really great job in describing all of their sizing with the measurements. I have never purchased anything that hasn't fit just like a glove. Now, the Old Navy price on these jeans was $30. The Thredup price is $18.99. Whew. All right, sorry, I just feel a little disheveled after trying on all of those clothes. You know, taking shirts on and off messes up your hair. But anyways, the last item I wanted to share with you was this purse or little tote bag. This is from A New Day. I really love the color of this bag. It is kind of just like a dark gray, brown, charcoal, grayish kind of color. I don't know what you would label it, but it's perfectly neutral. I feel like you could pair this with just about anything. It has some gold details, this little gold zipper detail pocket, which is great. Oh, look, somebody left some tissues in here. Okay. Guess that's one of the things that happens when you buy a used purse. But overall, it is just brand new. It does have a gold zipper across the top, but it has a really nice large pocket, some other small pockets for just like your cell phone or your wallet or anything like that. This will be great. I love this. This will be awesome for me to just throw snacks and a diaper and wipes and my wallet and my phone in. The straps, I wish they were just a little bit longer. They're kind of at that weird length where they're too long to carry by hand, but a little bit more difficult to put over your shoulder. But I will definitely make this work. Now, the retail price of this purse, of this bag, was $37. The Thredup price was $19.99. And honestly, guys, I cannot tell the difference. This does not seem used at all. It is just like brand new. I feel like I went to Kohl's and picked this up. Okay, so those are the 10 items that I purchased from Thredup this order. Now, I did have a 20% off coupon code that was on their website. Maybe it was Memorial Day sale, something like that. So I was able to get an additional 20% off my order, and I purchased enough items, made a large enough order that I was able to get free shipping. My total for all of these items, dresses, tops, jeans, and a tote bag, it was $159.61, and that included tax, all the fees, everything. So, you know, 10 items for $160, I feel like that is so fair and such an amazing price, especially for the quality and the quantity of things that I bought. Have you ever ordered from Thredup? Do you like to do thrift shopping and things like that? If you do, leave me a comment down below, and while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Doing all of those things helps our channel to grow here on YouTube. See you later.